In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find unread emails in Gmail. This process is straightforward, but if you're like many users, you might not be aware of the options available to make this task easier. So, let's dive into the steps that will help you quickly sort through your messages and ensure you never miss an important email again. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, sign in with your credentials if you haven't done so already. After you've successfully logged in, you'll see your inbox, usually with a mix of read and unread emails. Now, you're probably wondering how to filter out unread emails efficiently. Luckily, Gmail offers a handy feature that's just perfect for this. Direct your attention to the search bar located at the top of the Gmail page. This bar doesn't just allow you to look for specific emails, but also helps you filter them according to various criteria, including their read status. In this case, we're focusing on unread emails. Type the word "is unread" into the search bar. This command will instruct Gmail to display all emails that are currently unread in your account. You'll see the results adjust immediately, displaying only the unread messages in your inbox. If you're someone who likes to keep their inbox tidy or wants the most important unread messages readily accessible, you might want to try a different view. For a more organized approach, Gmail's multiple inboxes feature can be highly beneficial. By setting up multiple inboxes, you can have a dedicated section just for unread emails alongside your primary inbox. To do this, head over to the settings by clicking on the cogwheel icon in the top right corner of the Gmail window. From there, click on See All Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Inbox tab. Click on it, and you'll see several options, including one for multiple inboxes. Select this view, and you will have an option to assign sections for your inbox. Enter "is unread" into one of the sections to designate a specific area for unread emails, alongside other folders or categories you might want to create. After you've set this up, don't forget to scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. Once you've saved, your inbox will reload, and you'll notice a newly sorted view where unread messages have their own panel. This can be a real game changer for managing your daily email routine efficiently, keeping important unread emails at your fingertips. And there you have it. By following these simple yet effective steps, you can sort your Gmail inbox and find unread emails with ease. This method helps to focus on what's important and ensures you're always on top of your communications. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.